Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in FiveM. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch FiveM application and launch FiveM server. When you join in server like me, press escape button and move here to settings. In this first section display, move here on screen kill effect, switch this off and subtitle off. Move here on graphics. In this first section, ignore suggested limit, switch this off. On DirectX version, from DirectX 11, switch like me DirectX 10.1. Move here on render resolution, choose resolution from your monitor like me. Go here on FXR, switch this off. On MSR, switch this from 8 on off. VSync, turn this off. On population density, switch this like me. And this too. Do the same on distance scaling. Extended texture budget, switch this like me. Texture quality from very high, switch on normal like me. Shadow quality from very high, switch on normal. Shadow quality from very high, switch this off. Reflection quality from ultra, switch this on normal. Reflection MSR from 8, switch this off. Water quality from very high, switch on normal. Soft shadows from soft, choose like me softest. Post FX from ultra, switch on normal. Anisotropic filtering from 60, switch this off. And ambient from high, switch off. When you set all these settings like me, hit here space and go enter. Restart your FiveM. When you wait FiveM to start, press Windows button and save game mode. And you will see game mode settings, click on it. If you have this off, switch it on. Open FiveM, move in right corner, click on this gear, go here inference, check this like me, black drop image, and menu music audio, switch this off. Go here on game, you will see here released, go here fix UI lag, check this, and audio frame limit, and disable camera shake. Now connect on your server. After all these settings, press one more time escape button and go here on settings. Move on advanced graphics. In screen tape, choose here full screen exclusive. Choose resolution from your monitor and 60 Hz. Long shadows, switch this off. High resolution shadows, switch this off. High detail, switch this off. Extended distance scaling, switch this off. And go space. Hit enter. After all, you have the best FPS settings in FiveM. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS settings in FiveM servers on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.